Shoes?
A shoe.
Huh? Do you want shoes?
Ow.
Do you want to go somewhere?
Shoe.
Huh?
Shoe.
Shoes? Where's your head? Head? Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your shoulder? Shoulder? Where's your elbow? Look, where's your elbow? Come here. Where's your elbow?
Papa.
Elbow, right here. Elbow.
Papa.
Can you say shoulder?
Feet.
Feet. Toes? Where's your toes?
Feet.
Where's your fingers? Fingers. Where's your knees? Where's your knees? Good job. There's your knees. Where's your chin? Chin. Where's your mouth? Where's your ears? Ears. Where's your hair? Hair.
What?
Huh? Where's your arm? Arms. Where's your legs? Where's your legs? Good job. There's your legs. What you doing? What do you want? Huh? What do you want?
Down.
Down? What are you doing? Where are you going? Yay!